let's get down to the New York Stock Exchange. Jim Cramer standing by. And Jim, I know you have been watching what we've been talking about this morning, the situation with chip companies being down, Nvidia, AMD, concerns about whether, well, not concerns, the Commerce Department says they can't sell anything to China right now, and that is going to eat in, at least for Nvidia. I think they said something like $400 million in sales it could cost them for this quarter. What do you think? I mean, Nvidia has been under pressure. There's been a lot of bad news out there. Is enough at this point?
Well, they did report in the last quarter with a vicious, the bad guy down after pre-announcement guy down. Remember, one time they were $750 billion. When I've gone on, I've spent, I don't know, 4 hours in this thing since this came out with my friend, with my associate Jeff Marks from the Invest Club. 400 million is right. After that, we think there's going to be some mitigation. It was a very important announcement came out this morning. A lot of people missed, which is going to allow Nvidia to be able to do a bit of a workaround and be okay. I still think it's going to be 200 million the next hit. I think that the stock is down correctly. There was no warning. This was a very important chip for Nvidia. It was not meant for the military. It was truly meant for the. I've seen it because I've used it, seen it. It is meant for games, but it doesn't matter. It is the most sophisticated chip in the world. But I would say this. You count Jensen out after this, you're making a very big mistake. Jensen Huang is the best there is. He huddled with his team, came out very charged. He's not. This is very similar to what he had to do with Ethereum, I believe, where he had to make the cards so that they could not use Ethereum. This was after the terrible decline in 2018. I am not saying to buy Nvidia today. I am saying that don't write Nvidia off. AMD, the hit is less than 5%. So people who are selling AMD must know something I don't, and they don't. But Nvidia is it's front and center, and I think 400 million may be the worst. But that said, that is worth a great deal to the company. You could argue that it's worth 20 billion in market cap, and there you go. That's what you got. It's a terrible situation, and but it's a great situation if you're trying to make it so that the PLA is not as strong as our army.
Right. Jim, I know you did a lot of work on this. I know you've got more to talk about it, not just coming up at the top of the hour, but in the morning meeting today,
This was a shock, okay? I have to tell you, this was a shock because they don't do any work with the military. The end markets seem all very benign. Jensen will come with a workaround. I am promising you that.